final recipient is an 8-under girl. Even at a young age of only 7, Molly Grosso understands what being a team member is all about. Molly sets a great example by cheering on her teammates. Molly. Everyone see you. All right. Molly sets a great example by cheering on her teammates at the end of the lanes, showing Northwest pride by drawing crab tattoos all over her body that stay on for like a week, because she does it in Sharpie. And coming up with new cheers to share with the team members, and making posters to show all her Northwest pride. Molly Grosso understands the true meaning of team spirit. I'm happy to congratulate you on this award. Good job.
Trophy.